Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Have you done your homework? Good. So let's start our online class. Are you ready? Very good. Students, in the previous class we have studied the chapter power and exponent and laws of exponent. Okay? So today I am going to teach you laws of exponent. Laws of exponents. Okay? There are 7 laws of exponents in our syllabus. So let us discuss friends, laws of exponents. Okay. The power of x is n. The power of x is n. Okay. So n exponent, we can say power and exponent. Okay. And x is base. X is a base. Okay. Like 5 by 3 and power is 2. Okay. 5 by 3 is base and 2 is power. 2 is power. Okay. Students, when same base are multiplied, then exponents of base number will be 8. Okay. Exponent of base numbers will be 8. Like x is base and m is power of x multiplied x and n is power. Okay. X and power will be 8. Power will be 8 of same numbers. Understood? Let us take an example. 2 by 3 is base. 2 by 3 is base and power is 2. Okay. Multiply 2 by 3 because base should be same. Base should be equal. Okay. The power is 3. So when same base are multiplied, then exponent of base will be 8. So we get 2 by 3 and power is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Okay. Next, add these power 2 by 3. So 3 plus 2 5. 3 plus 2 5. It is the first law of exponent. Understood? Second law of exponent, when same bases are divided, then exponents of base number will be subtract. Like x, the power of x is m and it is divide sign. Base should be same. So x and power is n. Okay. So power will be subtract. X is a number and power is m minus n. Power will be subtract. Okay. Let us take an example. 2 by 5. It is a number 2 by 5 and 4 is power. Divide sign 2 by 5 because number should be equal. And power is 2. Power is a 2. Okay. Same numbers are divided, then exponents of numbers will be subtract. So we get 2 by 5 and 4 minus 2. Exponents of numbers will be subtract. So we get 2 by 5 and 4 minus 2. So 2. Okay. 2 by 5 is power 2. Understood? Third law of exponent. The power of x is m and whole power n. Okay. These are exponents. M and n are exponent and x is base. So we get x and exponents will be multiplied. So x mn. The power of x is mn. Okay. Let us take an example like 2 by 3. The power of 2 by 3 is 2 and whole power is 3. The power of 2 by 3 is 2 and whole power is 3. So we get power will be multiplied. Power will be multiplied. So 2 by 3 and powers 2 and 3. So 2 multiply 3. So we get 2 by 3 and 3 to the 6. The power of 2 by 3 is 6. Understood? It is a third law of exponent. Of fourth law of exponent. Okay, x, the power of x is m. The power of x is m multiplied the power of y is m. Here power should be same. Power should be same, but base are different. So we get multiplied the base xy and power as it is. Power as it is. There are two different bases and equal power. Okay, let us take an example. Example 4 by 7. 4 by 7. The power of 4 by 7 is 2 multiplied the power of 3 by 4 is 2, because exponent should be equal and base should be different. Okay, so multiply is the base. Multiply the base. So 4 by 7 multiply 3 by 4 and whole power is 2. Okay, so we get 4 3 ja 12 and 7 4 ja 28 and power is 2. Okay, fifth law of exponent, like x, the power of x is m. The power of x is m and divide sign, and the power of y is m. Okay, here exponents of numbers are same. Exponents of numbers are same, but base should be different. Okay, so we get x by y. X by y and power is m. M is power of x by y. Okay, let us understand with the help of example. The power of 4 is 2. The power of 4 is 2 divided by 5, and the power of 5 is 2. Okay, there are two different base and same exponents. So we get 4 by 5. 4 by 5 and power is 2. 4 by 5 and power is 2. Okay, understood? Sixth law, the power of x is 0. The power of x is 0. So we get 1. We get 1. If the power of any number, is 0, so answer will be 1. Okay, example like 2 by 5. The power of 2 by 5 is 0, so answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. Understood? Let us take in one more example. The power of 6 is 4. The power of 6 is 4 divided by the power of 6 is 4. Okay, so here we know that when same bases are divided, so power will be subtract. So 6, 4 minus 4. So we get 6, the power is 0. The power is 0. The power of 6 is 0. So we get 1. We get 1. Understood? Seventh law of exponents. If x by y is a base and minus m is a exponent. Okay, when the exponent of a number is negative integer, if the exponent of a number is a negative integer, for positive exponent, reciprocal of the number, so we get y by x, reciprocal of the number, so y by x, and power will be positive. Understood? Let us take an example. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a base and the power is minus 5. Power is minus 5. Okay. So for positive exponent, for a positive exponent, reciprocal of the base. So 4 by 3, reciprocal of the base, we get 4 by 3 and exponent is positive 5. Understood?